This weather got me fucked up. Uh-huh. The weather outside is frightful, my dear something something. It's fucking crazy outside, yo. So clean it up. Clean up, clean up. Clean up, clean up. It's still.
Oh my god, look how high it is.
Hi guys, my name is Charlene. Hey! And today I am going to do my post Valentine's Day candy haul. So I went to CVS today because I couldn't go yesterday, and everybody took all my favorite candies. But you know what? I wanted chocolate and I got chocolate. So let me show you what I bought. My first and foremost, my favorite candy is Ferrero Rocher, and they had buy one get one 50% off. One is like $5, so this is like $2.50, so you only have to spend like $7.50, and each has 12 in them. So I have 24, and like the regular 30 packs they're selling for like $10. So I don't know whether I got a bargain or not, but I think I got a bargain. So yes, these are gonna be done by today. And another thing I got was this big pack, a family pack of Hershey's Kisses milk chocolate. And all the Valentine's stuff are 50% off, but this one wasn't buy one and get one 50% off. It's like 50% off, and this was only $4, and the smaller pack was $6. So I get bargain. But yeah, I don't know how long it's gonna take me to finish this. It's a pound, guys. It's a pound. And I had to carry it in my bag with some other stuff. And I also bought this aloe drink. It's so pink and I wanted it because it reminds me of Valentine's Day. But yeah, it tastes like those peach circle candies with the sugar on top and around. But yeah, it tastes exactly like it. But yeah, post Valentine's Day mood. But yeah, that's all for my haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye!
So I finished Spotlight today and it was really good. And what else did I do? I went to class. It was so much snow. Like, I don't know, it was like a journey to success just getting to class. Like, it was me, Ariel, Amanda, and we just held our arms together and then we just walked across. And yeah, I went to class, went to my lab, which was at 11 instead of like the regular time at 1. And then I hung out in the place where I always hang out to do work. But I forgot my headphones, so I couldn't do any work because I need to listen to music. And so Ariel came. Well, actually, I was talking to my mom. And I was just telling her about like stuff, like weather. And Ariel came, and then Amanda came like literally like 20 minutes later. And we went to get food, and then we came back with Ariel to that class. And yeah. Oh, and I went to CVS, as you can see. I hope you enjoyed the parody because I don't know. I feel like sometimes it's like, okay, we understand. Like, I know you're excited about the haul, but the only way I could be serious about something is if I'm joking about it. Does that make sense? Like, I could only be serious if I'm joking about it. So I could just like do like a regular video where it's like, yeah, this is what I bought. Like, I didn't think that was fun, so I just put some into it. So yeah, that's just me. And yeah, I did more dance numbers today, but I did not record them or have someone record me because it was just too much work. Like, I'm getting tired of all these dance videos. But yeah. It was so much snow today. And school wasn't closed. Like, all the other schools are closed except for mine. And it's ridiculous because you would think they were closed like such a big campus down. Oh, and I'm wearing my Hotline Bling sweater that I paid like $20-something for. I don't know why. And I'm watching Man vs. Wildman, but I might watch like a documentary on Netflix, like a history documentary, as per Amanda's request, because she's like, if you watch the animal, you're gonna be like, oh, what is that? What is that? What is that? They're so funny. Like, I wish I could have a camera on them like 24/7. And oh, me and Erin were watching like all of these like man and beast videos, so it's like some of them are funny regarding animals, some of them are really like, oh my god, like maybe you shouldn't be near these animals. And then we watch like snake videos and stuff. So yeah. Yeah. But yeah. Tomorrow's gonna be a pretty short kind of day. I only have 2 classes. Like, today was the shortest one, but I still feel like it was kind of long because I have to wake up so early. But tomorrow I have class at 10, and then I don't have anything until 3. I don't have medical instrument because that's only like once a week. So yeah, tomorrow's gonna be pretty chill. Thursday is definitely gonna be really chill because I only have 1 class. But yeah, from next week on, it's just like, so I'm trying to get everything done this week. So I know I keep saying it, but I'm trying to get everything done this week so I'm not stressed out. Because I'm not trying to get stressed out. I have to do my eyebrows. My lips are bleeding. And I have like a blister here. Sorry, this might be gross. A blister there, but yeah. I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I plan on going to class tomorrow, so I have to get up in like 8 hours, I think. I don't know what time it is. It is 2 o'clock, so I have like what? I have like 7.5 hours. Sorry, it took so long. Like 7.5 hours and stuff to get up, and yeah. So hope you enjoyed my little parody. But I need to upload more dance videos. Like, that's just the way I dance, you know. Sometimes I copy them, sometimes I just do it on my own, but yeah. Oh, by the way, I am going to record another embarrassing story video. So, stay tuned for that. Because it is an extra special one.